What's going on, guys? And this is Tuna Place Productions. Oh! Hey guys, what's going on? Tuna Place Productions here. Today we have another review video. I'm gonna have to like this. Yeah, we've got a foot fury here. See, a zombie. So first up here, it gives you double barrels, so you can hold about 12. I'll just get further back so you can see your face. About 12, you can just flip it for days. Well, not all the time, as you can see. Fix my hand. And I've only got one bullet. I'm gonna test how powerful this is actually. So. It's not powerful. See how far back it is. Yeah, here's the back. So yeah, that's good. And we also got a little handguard here as well on the bottom, which is pretty good. Oh, well, that was a trip bomb. So total rating. I think I'm actually gonna go for about maybe a 6 on this because I mean, it's nothing special. Oh, can I go? No, hiccups. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna go for a 6. It's alright, but I mean, the gun's alright, but I don't think it's my type of gun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment, how do I do subscribe? Subscribe. Peace.